Would y'all rather this, or would y'all rather the Trackhawk here? Which one y'all taking? Got the Trackhawk, got the AMG. We Hustle Daily, what's going on, Hustle Nation? Welcome back to another video. It's your boy Big Play coming to y'all with another video today. And today, first up on our list, we at Copart. Anybody can come here. You don't need to have to deal with license or nothing like that. First one we checking out is the Sonata, man. Y'all know me, I done became a Sonata fiend. This looks worse than I thought though, ain't gonna lie. Way worse. Way worse than I thought. And it got the nerve to have some power. Hold on. I got a jump box, but I don't even think I'm gonna crank this up. Let's look at this damage right here. What's going on in the back? Oh, part of the freaking bumper here. Yep. Okay, the little foam goes there. Let's see if it'll pop open. Just might. I heard it. Let's pull on it. Let's see. Wash my hand. Nope. Yeah, that's way too much damage for me. Who am I kidding? So we're just gonna go ahead and leave this here, man. That's way too much. Yeah. All right, let's keep moving. All right, we got another Honda Accord like the one we gave away. (2013). The one I gave away was what, a 14, I believe? 14? I forgot. Or was it a 13? I think it was a 14 though. Let's see. I think you got power too. Do it. Seatbelt. Seatbelts always be locking up, boy. Oh no, this one didn't even lock up. I don't think it got power though. What do? Airbag light probably gonna be on, of course. Oh, airbag light. 158 on the miles. Let me let this seat back a little bit. Let's pop the trunk. Pop the trunk. Uh-oh. This one might be the V6, I believe. The sunroof. The one I gave away did not have a sunroof, I don't think. I don't forgot. Oh, that's a 4-cylinder. This one got a valve cover, guys. He leaked though. Not that bad, just a little. It might not smoke or nothing, but let's see what this looking like. It can't be too bad, cause that's why. Don't worry, we're gonna put it back. Don't worry. We gonna put it back, man. I just wanna open it up and see what's going on. Ooh, see how it crinkled up? Do it close? No. Too much work for me, man. Too much work for your boy. All right. Let's turn this off. Let's go.
Alright, Hustle Nation, I decided to drop a low ticket course for those of you who cannot afford the full curriculum for $147. I decided to drop a course for just $19.99, where I'm going to teach you how to inspect any car, whether from a private party buyer or the auction. These skills you can use for a lifetime, and I still use these skills to this day. This is the foundation that's going to take you to a whole nother level when it comes to checking out cars. Learn all my tips and tricks on how I've been able to buy all these nice cars and make all this money. Here are some testimonials right here where you can see how I've been able to help other people in this business. So for just $19.99, click the link in the description below and I'm gonna teach you everything you need to know.
What do we have here? We have an AMG C63. Nice. Beautiful cars. Y'all know I had it. Is the hood open? No, not right now. We're gonna pop it right next to the Trackhawk. Come on, man. Right next to the Trackhawk. Right next to the Trackhawk, man. AMG S63. Nasty. I showed y'all the Trackhawk before, but I'll show y'all again. Oh, we got power. So we got the two-tone seats. Ooh, it smells like water in here, making my head hurt. Let's pop the hood. Boom. Let's crank it up. Let's push the start. 200 on the dash. Yeah. Something going on with this one. What you expect though, usually. Hold on, is it right here? What is that? Is it super? Are these supercharged? I don't see the supercharger on there. It might be supercharged though. Of course, y'all gonna let me know in the comments below. Y'all gonna get me right. That's a 2013. Oh wait, check engine light not even on. I'm gonna turn that AC off. The motor got a knock on it. We got 99,000 miles. It's just super plain in here. It's plain just like the other one, like the normal 4-cylinder one. You just got carbon fiber here, but that's really much the only thing that I see. You got your, I think these are even the pedal shifters are even in the 4-cylinders. But same roof. Steering wheel's a little different, but you know, just that motor you're gonna get for real. We're gonna hit the gas a little bit. I ain't gonna go too crazy because you already hear the motor knocking. Damn, it sounds good though, I ain't gonna lie. Ooh, it stink. I ain't gonna go too crazy on it. But what y'all think, man? Would y'all rather this or would y'all rather the Trackhawk here? Which one y'all taking? Which one y'all taking? Y'all taking AMG C63 or Trackhawk? Let me know in the comments below. This one might crank up for y'all too. I think I cranked this one up before for y'all. Oh, I did. Yeah. Trackhawk. Red seat belts. I don't think this one got no oomph to it. Barely one crank up. What's this? 200 on the dash? I have 200 on the dash on this one. There's water in here. Yeah. Let y'all hear how this one sound. Got the Trackhawk. Got the AMG. Liddy. I already let y'all see this though, but we're gonna go ahead and wrap this one up a little bit too. I know some of y'all like, let the car warm up some more. I'm gonna let it warm up a little bit more for y'all. See, I don't think I'm just trying to break the car. You feel me? All right, that's enough. AMG sound better. All right, we have a Infiniti M35. Now I don't see the M35s a whole lot, not even on the streets. I don't. Y'all let me know in the comments so y'all see these on the street a lot. Let's see what's going on with this one. I don't see no damage on this one. This is a nice little Honda too. I didn't notice that. We gotta look at that. Okay, no damage on this one. Yep, what is that on the ground? Let's go over there and see. Y'all gotta be careful, man. When y'all see stuff like this in the car, I'll be paying attention. Like, so it's 10W40, just some oil. So it made me think like, what's going on? Like, I don't like when I see transmission fluid in cars. I be like, hold up, wait a minute, let me put some pimping in it. Oh, we got power though. Oops, I didn't mean to do that. Where's the power button? Oh, right there. Dang, this one got 313,000 miles. What in the world? I didn't see that. I don't even want that. Oh, I see why I don't want it too. Yeah, make sure y'all go to whdacademy.com so I can teach you everything you need to know. I like this Honda Accord. What is going on with it? I don't see no damage on it. V6. What year is this one? I think this is the older one though. Yeah, it is. It's the 10. It just say charge AC. What the heck? It says seatbelt locked. GPS stopped working. Seatbelt locked. That's it? Ooh, we got miles on it. 189, 198. Need some gas. Oh, this is what they mean by the GPS stop working. It just don't work. Oh, it say enter code though. So the code might be, let me see, enter code 3. Where's the numbers at? Oh, here we go. So 3, ain't no 0? I thought that was the code down here. 3001. But there's no zeros. Oh, it's a 4. 4, let me see. No, it's not in there. Dang. But that's all it would need is the code. Let me check this one out. Let me get my scanner and everything out. Let's check this out. But this one looks like it's probably gonna be pretty good. Let's see. All right, we got some type of Plymouth here. I think this is a Dodge Plymouth here. Old school. Commando. Barracuda. Oh, this is a Barracuda. The whole back is chopped off, huh? Heck shit, this ain't no convertible. What in the world? Let's go on the inside. Oh, I don't even got no door over there. I ain't gonna tear the plastic up. We just gonna look from right here. Dang, I wonder why the... Oh, the window's gone. I'm tweaking. Okay, the window's gone. All right. I thought they made this mother convertible. Okay. All right, what y'all think? Y'all like these or what? All right, with that being said, it's warming up out here. I got some work to do at home. I'm gonna catch y'all on the next video. Didn't find nothing I like today. It's your boy Big Play Ray. I'm out, man. Peace.
What's going on, Hustle Nation? Just want to tell you guys about this Auto A-Stat research tool that I use to find out what's the history on all these Copart and insurance auto auction cars. It gets to tell you the auctions, how many auctions it's been to, the mileage, if the car has been staged by a dealer, as you can see. So if you would like to use this research tool, make sure you click the link in the description below.